Hey you guys, right now I'm just showing you how the braids came in the package. It came with a crochet needle and some hair jewelry. This style itself was inspired by Pearl the Stylist. I'll have her IG on the screen. And if you click the link down below, the Amazon link, then it'll show you a picture of a young lady of hair that she actually did. And this is inspired by it. This is just a cheaper version of how to get that look and achieve it. So I'll go ahead and let you guys watch.
that I absolutely love this no cap. Like, not because they sent it to me or whatever the case is. Like, I love these. Like, look at this. Like, come on. Like, this is cute AF. Like, it is cute. Like, oh my gosh. But anyway, so these, it's very full. They send you enough packs that you can, you know, do your hair, whatever. Even if you have a big head, it should be enough hair in there for you to do it. Because I had to really kind of like fill them in. I really like filled them in like in the back. So I had enough hair. I just wanted to make sure I put all of it in my head just to see like how full it would be and everything. But so the weight of it, I did feel it as I just took out the ponytail, but it's not like a unbearable weight. It wasn't like the if you didn't see my butterfly lock video, it wasn't as heavy as those, but it definitely has a little weight to them. I'm gonna put on the screen how many packs of hair, like I counted in the beginning, but I'm gonna just, you know, put on the screen how many packs of hair that they sent me and how many strands, well, how many braids actually came in a pack. So if you can see it, each strand comes with like these curly strands out of it, and each strand has two curly ends that come out of it, and then the ends of curly as well. Like these, it's like a cute boho bob type of length like style, and I just love it. But I think I'm gonna do like a quick little style. Hold on, because I think I do want to add some lock jewelry. Actually, I'm gonna put in my hair what they sent me. They sent me like the crochet needle. I already had one, so I didn't even use it. But they sent me a crochet needle, and then like a couple little pieces of lock jewelry. I'm trying to take it out this little bag. They are colorful. I probably won't keep them in, but you know, I thought let me try something new. All right, let's stick one right here. That's a cute blue. Cause I am gonna style this. I want to do like a half up, half down. And that's another thing. Like this styles very well. Like oh my gosh. Like I'm seriously in love. Like if they did not send me this hair, I would literally go buy it. I would definitely pay my money for it if they didn't send it to me because it's bomb. Like I'm like in love. Like when I take these out, I plan on actually saving the braids. Like usually I just cut my crochet hair out, but I'm gonna save these braids because I really like this. So I'm gonna put a couple of these just random places. I'm probably like covering up the little curly part, but like I said, it's all good. Like this is really a nice full look. I didn't know how full it would be because I didn't know. It's based off of how many cornrows you do and then how like thick the cornrows are and everything. But this is cool. So as you can see, I have 4 cornrows on each side. Yeah, 4 cornrows on each side. And I parted it in the middle for the purpose of me trying to do the style that I'm about to do. Yeah. Alright, I got one more. This is too freaking cute. I love how full it is though. Alright, we just won't put this anywhere. Put it right there. Alright, so I planned on having this down and do like a quick little pony. I wish I had like a little one of those cute scrunchies that people be having. I'm gonna do a quick little pony. Look how cute that is. Look how cute that is with the curly hair just hanging. Oh my gosh. I'm like really in love. I was not expecting it to come out so freaking cute. Don't mind my little raggedy ponytail holder either. But yeah. I'm gonna put it up. Like, look at how cute this style is. Like, oh my gosh. I might actually, I kind of like the colorful jewelry. I might actually put some more in. This is cute. Oh, I love this. It's giving, it's giving. But anyway, you guys, so I'll have the link, the Amazon link down below for this hair. And my review on this is like a 10 out of 10. Like, I literally have no complaints about this hair. Like, it's all positive. Like, I can't say nothing wrong. And that's just me, like, basically, like, I can't say anything wrong. Like, they sent you enough hair. The hair bomb. Like, the curly end, like, come on. Come on. All I can say, sis, is where that credit card at, go spend that money. All right. But anyway, I'm going to have the link down below, you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. I'll see you guys later.